With a clever lightning-connected design and solid construction, we're mostly impressed by the Gamevice gaming controller for iPhone. But with a $100 price tag, a risk of not fitting future iPhone models, and broken controller forwarding support from Apple in iOS, we feel it's an extremely niche device. Like most other gaming controllers for iOS, it features 2 joysticks, a D-pad, 4 face buttons, and 4 shoulder buttons. It's powered by an internal 400 mAh battery, and connects to the iPhone via a lightning plug, which means no need for a Bluetooth wireless connection. Gamevice has 2 pieces, a left side with the D-pad and joystick, and right side with second joystick and face buttons of A, B, X and Y. Both sides feature both a trigger and bumper. These 2 pieces are connected by a rubberized, folding piece dubbed the Flex Bridge. When extended, the 2 sides of the controller fit securely around the iPhone and hold it in place. There is also an extension slider on the back, and a locking mechanism on the right side, to allow users to choose between fitting an iPhone 6/6s, or a larger Plus version.